I'm going to do a bomb in the Plungie. I'm Greg Jones, the Director and Builder at 23K. We specialise in home renovations for the Bayside and the Mornington Peninsula area of Melbourne. A few years ago, we built our Hamptons-inspired home, with my wife Penny taking charge of the design for our project. One of our greatest passions was bringing our backyard to life. We wanted a pool that was spacious, yet didn't overwhelm the backyard. We selected the Kona Coast finish to perfectly complement our Hampton-styled home and give it that coastal feel. As builders, we wanted a pool that was quick and easy to install. With its pre-plumbing, waterproofing, pre-fitted lighting, and eco-finish interiors, it was an absolute no-brainer for us. As homeowners, our goal was to create a space for our kids and us to enjoy. What I love about the Plungie is the ability to tie in the landscaping components directly to the pool. Having these engineered elements built in makes our life of builders so much easier. It's a real game changer. Previously, we've installed shotcrete pools. It involved a lot of work, a lot of time, and potential unforeseen issues. The idea of a precast concrete pool that comes finished with a high-performance internal coating to the colour of your choice made perfect sense for us. I've been incredibly impressed with the engineering and the design of the Plungie. From excavation to a fully landscaped backyard, the entire process took us 6 weeks. This is something I always highlight to our clients. The process is so straightforward and the ability to execute is simple. Without a doubt, we're going to use Plungie going forward. We're working with several clients to transform their backyards into their own luxury oasis. Having the Plungie team and products at our fingertips empowers us to shape the future of Australian backyard dreams.